Hello everybody, welcome back. I am here with a new tutorial which is so exciting. While scrolling through Instagram, I saw so many posts, amazing hairstyles, braids, ponytails with some fun makeup. I was so impressed with it and I decided why not to create a look which is more practical. So this is the look that I am going to create today. It's so much fun, nothing much, good mauve bronzy eyes, and yes, a good lip color with some gloss on top of it. Lot of shine, lot of bronzer and lot of fun. So in case you want to see how did I create this look, keep on watching. I am already done with my brows and I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I am going to prime my eyes using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. I'm going to use this palette today, which is the Huda Beauty Nude palette. It has some amazing colors. I'm going to use this color Bear here and I will just apply it in the inner corner of the eye. I will just take this color on my fingers and I will apply it here. I'll take this color which is Secret and using this iris brush, I am going to apply it as my transition color. And I will let this color float towards my eyebrow. The other color that I'm going to take is this one, which is Raw. And using the same brush, I will apply it in the crease line. And I'm going to make the outer V using this color, letting it float outside. And now the next color is this one, which is Love Bite. And I will just apply it in the outer corners. Bringing it a little too close towards the lash line. Now by using this color, which is Fantasy, I will apply it in the center of the eye. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution. It's the metallic eyeshadow and it's in the shade Rose Gold. Such a pretty color and look how beautiful this is. I am going to apply this in the inner corner of the eye, blending it towards the center. This is so beautiful. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this or not, but it's really gorgeous. Now just to add little gold to my eyes, I'm going to use this color which is Crave here and apply it on top of the previous color. The color that we applied in the center, yeah, very lightly. Ooh. Now it's time to do my liner and I am going to use this liner. It's a lasting gel liner from Kiko and I want to do a nice wing liner going upwards. Now I'm just going to clear all the fallout, clean it well. And now I'll start off with my face. I'm going to use this MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Gold Light. We have to create a nice glowy look. We'll be out in the sun. Have to be little careful because I already did my brows. For my foundation, I'm using the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani, and I am going to mix this NARS Orgasm Illuminator into it. Both of these together. Just 2 pumps of this foundation. And a few drops of this. I'll blend both these together. And I'm going to apply this as my foundation using a damp beauty blender. For my concealer, I am using Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer. It's the Extreme Camouflage Cream. It's a waterproof concealer and it's in the shade 7, I feel. So that's what is written at the back. It's like a full coverage concealer. Taking little in my brush, I will set my whole face with the same powder. Now it's time to add some bronzer to my face, and I'm using this one from MAC, which is Give Me Sun. Just adding some nice glow all over the face. The tip of the nose as well, and some under the jawline. I'll just add some blush, which is Sweets for My Sweet from MAC. Just on the apples. And now for the highlight, I'm using this Too Faced Love Light. It's a nice highlighter, and I will spray Fix Plus all over my face. Let this dry for about 30 seconds. I will apply the same as my Brow Bond highlight as well. And by taking some of this, I am going to highlight the inner corner of the eye as well. Now we come to the lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I am going to apply this Too Faced Perfect Black kajal as my kajal in the lower lash line. And now by using the same color which was raw in the nude palette, I will apply this color closer to the lash line. Fill it with this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Krushh. Do you think the lips look fine, or should I add some more gloss? I think I'll add some gloss to it. I'll use this one from Pixie, and this is in the shade Lip Icing Cake. Ooh, it's so pretty. Just in the center. Yeah, this looks nice. And finally, I will set it with Fix Plus from MAC. I hope you all would have loved the look. In case you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching, because I will be coming up with more fun videos.